How to make a GIF in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To make a GIF in CapCut, it is as simple as it sounds. Start off by launching your CapCut application in your device. Make sure your CapCut is up to date. Select on a project or a draft that is saved in your CapCut. Now once you have done with all of the edit, before you click on the export button, at the side you will see the resolution tab. Often it would be set on 180p. As we wish to make a GIF, tap on the GIF option. Here you will have three of the options, that is 240p, 320p and 640p. Select on the desired resolution. Once you have clicked on it, tap on the export button. After that, wait until your GIF is being exported. Once it has been successfully saved, you can now check out your gallery. And as you can see, your video has been now successfully converted into a GIF. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try. Thank you so much for tuning in.